welcome my beautiful people. Is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Ogbonge people, oh, this one na about one guy for Italy. His name na Lucky. So his sister just call me say abeg make I use am take do topic. Say this their brother that they look for am since. I go put the picture for the thumbnail, the picture for the video, so una see am. So in case of anybody wey see the guy, make dem help am. Abeg, my darling people, because this boy now, him mama now, why I even say make I do the video be say him mama dey cry now for village. Him mama dey look for am. Him mama no see pikin. He no even call am for Christmas. Nothing. Nobody hear of this boy again now. He dey Bologna for Italy there. But now nobody know whether police even hold am or women now. Nobody even know. Then they look for this boy now for everywhere now. They no see him. His friend, when he see they follow the waka, they still ask that his friend, you how far this boy 12 una dey close, make you see airports in case you know anything about this guy. If you know wetin happen, make you tell us. He say nothing but something strong happen. Okay, there's something strong wey happen now. You no fit tell them. He say no, this thing dey normal, my darling people. Something happen. Okay, you say something strong happen to the guy. Okay, wetin happen to the guy now? This boy no gree talk. You talk so that if it make them know, or if police hold am make them know. Because only that soon I be the something strong wey go happen. This guy no gree talk. Okay, the boy mama now dey sick for village now. He dey cry because he no hear of him pikin. All those things he go make person sick. Him mama now dey sick, dey cry. Make dem help am look for a pikin for Europe. They no see am. So the thing don reach their ear. Even his brother wey still dey Germany, they still call that one. When the guy call am, he say one of the boyfriend call am, tell am say the boy say they no see am, but something strong happen. Okay, make you bring number, make dem take call the friend. He say the number don delete for his phone. That kind of number you no suppose store am. You no suppose store the number. Abi that brother too say know wetin happen to his brother. Me I no understand, because this matter just get the way it be. Really, the matter get the way it be. This boy now they don't know where he dey. Him mama now they cry for village. Now Italy this one for the happen. In case anybody see this boy, more now call my number. Call my number dey my YouTube there. Before you look for all my videos, you must see my numbers there. I beg, because this boy now, him mama now they sick. That even make me. Him mama they cry. Because if pikin dey Europe, it be like person will not get pikin for Europe. Pikin not they call am again. Nothing. They don't hear from the boy again. So the thing get a be. So now waiting make me because say okay, make I do this topic. Anybody wey see this boy, make them help me. I beg. Because now beg everybody come they beg now. The family is crying at home. If this video don't go too long, so that Mona watch from the start to the end. I beg. Anybody wey see this boy, make he help us contact the family. Maybe I will put my number there in case anybody will see him. Maybe they call me so that I go fit tell the family, you know. Or if the boy, if I know what happen to him or anything at all, may they just let person know. Not to let person not feel bear for this life. If you stick meme, may so rest in perfect peace. But if you not stick meme, say na prison day, we go see no. At least the people might go see calm down. But nobody even know wetin dey happen right now. Nobody know if the boy even dey okay, where he dey. Nothing. Nobody even know. You understand that this kind of thing never happened before. Say this boy go just dey, you know, go call him mama. It never happened. Now, him mama not even hear from her. Nobody hear from her. Nothing. So the family they worried. They worried really. So anybody wey fit see this guy, make they let me know. I beg. That make I do this video. So in case anybody will see Lucky, I beg, Mona let us know. Anybody will they close to and will know anything about time, may just contact us. So thank you everybody, my darling people. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell Thank you and God bless you.